Good day mga future CPM or mechanical engineers. Ngayong gabi or ano man tong oras nyo na panood, reviewin natin yung mga lumalabas sa board exam, yung mga elements. Actually hindi ko rin to alam, so samahan nyo lang po ako at sabayan nyo. Number 1, for foundation of stocks, the maximum pressure on the soil is equal to the pressure due to the weight of the answer dito siguro is wind movement. So tama. So ito number 2 is the most important safety device on the power boiler. So yung pinaka-importante na safety device is syempre yung safety valve. Tama. Number 3, any device or portion of the equipment used to increase refrigerant pressure. So, siguro pressure left device. I don't know. So, mali. Yung sagot is pressure imposing element. So nga pala, hindi ko rin to alam. So, baka may mga mali akong sagot, pero lumalabas naman yung kung anong tama. Number 4, by subcooling the refrigerant in refrigeration system, the compressor power per unit mass will subcooling, no? So, answer dito is siguro increase. Okay, remains the same. Sige. Dito, typical compression ratio of Otto cycle is 8. Number 6, the volume as determined from internal dimensions of the container with no allowance for the volume of internal parts. So, ito, internal, so ang sagot is internal gross volume. Number 7, type of condenser that operates like a cooling tower. So, condenser, air cooled condenser. Yung sagot is evaporative condenser, type of condenser that operates like a cooling tower. Yung sagot is evaporative condenser. Number 8, tubing that is unenclosed and therefore exposed to crushing, abrasions, puncture, or similar damage after installation. So, unenclosed daw. So, I think unprotected tubing. So, tama naman. Number 9, if Joule-Thomson coefficient is equal to 0, then the process will become isothermal. Tama. If Joule-Thomson coefficient is equal to 0, then the process will become isothermal. A coil in series with evaporator that is used to prevent the liquid refrigerant entering the compressor. So yung coil is dryer loop. Tama, kasi prevent refrigerant in entering the compressor. So dryer loop. Number 11, component of the absorption refrigeration system in which the solution is cooled by cold. by cooling water. Component of absorption, so dito is absorber. Tama, absorber. Number 12, the fuel used in a power plant that is used during peak periods. So yung fuel na ginagamit sa mga power plant natin during peak periods is liquid. Tama. Number 13, joints and all refrigerants containing parts of a refrigerating system located in an air duct carrying conditioned air to and from an occupied space shall be constructed to withstand a temperature of, hindi ko talaga to alam, pero initial guess is I think 650. Okay, 700 degrees Fahrenheit without leakage into the air stream. Ito, sight glass. Sight glass is often located at, siguro initial guess na naman, between condenser and liquid reservoir. So, yung sagot dito is liquid line. Sight glass is often located at liquid line. Number 15 is used to subcool the refrigerant from the condenser. So, dito is condenser subcooler. So, mali. Liquid subcooler pala is used to subcool. Okay. If the cut-off ratio of this cycle increases, the cycle efficiency will increase. So, mali talaga. Decrease. The COP of actual absorption refrigeration system is usually less than 2. Less than 1. Number 18, as a rule of thumb, for the specified amount of compressed air, the power consumption of the compressor decreased by 1% for each 30 degrees Celsius drop in the temperature inlet air to the compressor. So, sagot dito, may decreased rule of thumb is 1%. Number 19, refrigerants consisting of mixtures of 2 or more different chemical compounds often used individually as refrigerants for other applications. So, dito, I think, initial guess is blend. So, tama, blends. Methyl chloride shall not be in contact with. All of these. So, ito, boiling point of Freon 12 at atmospheric pressure. Siguro, 28 or 21? 21 siguro. Tama, 21. 22 is a fluid property which refers to the intermolecular attraction by which the separate particles of the fluid are held together. So, dito is cohesion, I think, or adhesion. Surface tension. Okay, cohesion siya, no? It's a fluid property. 23, a type of valve connected from discharge of compressor directly to suction that is normally closed and will open automatically only if there is high discharge pressure. So, dito answer is solenoid valve siguro. Initial guess. Tama. 24, used to detect a vibration and current caused by the ionization of the composed refrigerant between two opposite charge platinum electrodes. So, used to detect vibration. Electronic detector siguro, no? Tama. 25 is the ratio of the mass of the water vapor in air and the mass of air if it is saturated is called ratio. Humidity ratio. Okay, tangina. Relative humidity. So, relative humidity is the ratio of the mass of the water vapor in air and the mass of air if it is saturated. So, good luck, future CPM. Tangina, hindi ko rin to alam kasi nag-review rin ako para sa Mechanical Engineering Board exam. So, good luck sa atin and God bless.